Hi, and welcome to Monthly Market Analysis with Abbie Shepherd here in my office again. And boy, do we have a surprise for you this month. Instead of going into the monthly market numbers, which we do, we are going to look at third quarter stats hot off the press. We just had our presentation with the Keller Williams office, and there are some really interesting numbers. And hopefully this little presentation will help you see year after year, quarter after quarter, what's going on, not just month to month, draw a bigger picture for you. Additionally, help you understand a little bit more on the microscopic level why things are happening. So just to start off a report again, number of transactions up. We had about 11,000 for third quarter compared to 10,500 third quarter of 2011. Additionally, foreclosures and short sales, distressed property continues to decline. We show a 43.1% of foreclosed and short sale property compared to the total market sales, whereas first quarter of this year we had 59.9% distressed property sales. Now you hear me talk about, and here's the kicker, transition into a seller's market. What is that? That is when at the rate buyers are buying right now, how long does it take them to buy up what's on the market? We keep saying it's moving into a seller's market. Inventory is low. What does that mean? Just to put this in perspective, I think this is an excellent graph to take a look at. This yellow line is the number of active listings. The red, number of closed transactions. Now you see the red has kind of gone up a little bit here and there, but mostly remain about steady. As I said, 500 transaction difference between third quarter of this year compared to third quarter of last year. But when we look at the number of active listings, here's where the kicker comes. We had July 2008, there were 40,000 homes on the market. We're looking at less than 15,000 homes on the market today. So that's where it's coming in. Buyers just don't have a lot to choose from. Now is the time to sell. If you have an average house, you have an ugly house, oh, perfect time. You don't have a lot of competition. We saw this coming. From the real estate industry, we were bouncing around, and that's why you've heard me talk about this over and over again, bouncing around this transitional market about mid last year. And the beginning of this year, that's when we really dipped down into the seller's market. But what does that mean? Here we see the effect on median price. This orange line shows median sales price, and this is the second quarter in a row where we've had that increase in median sales price, and that comes as a lag behind this inventory number. So whereas we've been telling you since mid-2011, transitional market, here we go guys, it's coming, the media, which typically reports median sales price, did not catch on until about mid this year. So now at least we're on board with the media and they understand where we're going. But this is great news for sellers. What does this mean? We can also track what happens to sale price as a percentage of list price in terms of inventory. And again, as we watch this yellow line, inventory, down here in this seller's market, this orange line, percentage of asking price, just keeps going up and up. We're in the 90th percentile now for overall percentage of asking price home sales, selling about 90%, above 90%. And here we had, in 2008, we were around 80% of asking price. So now more than ever, sellers are happy. This is a great time to sell. And that's what I keep talking about. And really, we're seeing it, if we look back in 2010 even, we were seeing 61.2% of homes not selling at all, just expiring. We tried, we couldn't get what we wanted, we're off the market. Now here we go, that number's flipped. We're about 33.5% of homes that aren't selling. That means the rest of them are selling. It's a great, great time. I can't stress that enough. So please, let me know. You have anybody that tried to sell 2010, 2008, terrible, terrible time. Now it's perfect. Give me a call, Abbie Shepherd, Keller Williams, 404-275-5561. Have a great day.